Hey everyone, how you doing? Thanks for watching the video. So a lot of the time, the clients that I'm dealing with, their stress and their anxiety is caused by other people. And quite often those people are our parents, our older siblings, maybe our extended family, basically people that we've grown up with, because we are like computers. We run programs all of the time. But of course, when we're born, when we're infants, when we're kids, maybe even to our teenage years as well, the programs that we run are put in, developed, designed by other people, particularly our parents or the other authority figures that we have relationships with as we're growing up. And whilst most of the time those programs are designed to help us, a lot of the time they don't, because quite often, our parents, with the best will in the world, they mean the right thing, they don't want to do us any harm. The programs that they're running, that they install in us, were developed generations ago. So they were installed by their parents and their grandparents, and they don't serve us in the modern world that we run in. So if you're suffering from stress, you're suffering from anxiety, there's a good chance that you're running a program somewhere that isn't even your own program. It wasn't put in by you. But the good news is that just like a computer, you can change programs, you can adapt them, you can modify them, or you can even delete them if you need to. And that's what a great therapist like me will help you to do. We'll identify those programs, the root causes of your stress and your anxiety. And then we can either modify those programs or we can just completely delete them. And we can put new, more effective programs into place, just like you would do with a computer. How often does your phone, your tablet, your desktop, your laptop run a software update? You see those little pop-ups all the time, don't you? That a new version is being installed and it's going to erase this particular problem, or it's going to fix this particular bug. Well, in many ways, we are just like those computers. We can change our programs, we can modify them, we can erase them, and we can install completely new programs if we need to. And one of the great things about what I do is I get to help you identify those programs that aren't working for you, change them, delete them, and install completely new programs. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.